Hello students, how are you? You enjoy a big vacation, right? But with this enjoyment, you take out the little time for your study. In last session, I have taught you a grammar topic, pronouns, and a small part of Unit 1 in text about Sunita Williams. And in this lesson, I have given to write the new words, synonym words, opposite words and worksheet 2. Have you written that? If it is remaining, you write down. And today I am going to teach you a Unit 1, a lesson in text. The name of lesson is Fast Finger First. It is the lesson of quiz. Students, do you know that in our school we celebrate the World Science Day and the World Environment Day, and on this day our school keep the competition of quiz. Do you understand properly? Now I explain this Unit 1 and you give attention properly. So you give attention and I explain. First I read the lesson and I explain it paragraph wise. So you give attention properly. Okay? Now students, I am reading a lesson. So you give attention properly. Vikas said, "Hello, good morning and welcome everyone. Today at our Smith Vidyalaya, we have the 4th annual Smart Students of the School contest. Our English teacher Mr. Parmar is the host of this competition and with him the scorer is Mr. Bright, his own laptop. Our principal Mr. Sharma is the expert. Today we have 9 contestants. They have computer screens in front of them. All of us are eagerly awaiting the start. So let's not waste time. Now I explain this paragraph. Here Vikas is an announcer. He announced of the 4th annual Smart Students of the School contest. He has given the introduction of Mr. Parmar and Mr. Sharma. Mr. Parmar is the host of this competition and Mr. Sharma is the principal and the expert of this school competition. There are 9 contestants. They have participated in this competition. They have computer screens in front of them. Students, have you watched the KBC? So same it is in the lesson. Now I read the other paragraph. Mr. Parmar said, "Thank you, Vikas. Hi, everyone, welcome again and all the best to the participants." Contestants, thank you, sir. Now, Mr. Parmar gave the best wishes to the participants. So, contestants thanked them. Mr. Parmar said, "The first round is fast finger first round. Okay, ready? I will give you questions on your computer. You will get maximum 7 seconds. The contestants with the quickest finger will come to this smart sheet. Your time starts now." So students, in this paragraph, Mr. Parmar has thanked to Vikas and said the best wishes to all contestants. Mr. Parmar is an anchor of the contest, so he explaining the rules of the round of the contest. The contestants will get maximum 7 seconds. Who will give the quickest answer? He will come to the smart seat. Mr. Parmar, put the first questions on the computer screens, and the first question is about arrange the words in proper order, and that is A option based, B friends, C trees, D R and E hour. So the answer is C D E A B. Means the trees are our best friends. Mr. Parmar, okay, the time is up. Let's see who is the quickest. And she is Nandita Gosai. She took only 3 seconds. Welcome Nandita. Come to the smart seat. Nandita gave the right answers of this question, and she has given these answers in 3 seconds. So she comes on the smart seat. Nandita, oh, thank you sir. I am so lucky. Mr. Parmar, are you ready? Nandita, yes sir. But I want to say something. Mr. Parmar, yeah, sure. Nandita, sir, last year I tried hard but couldn't reach here. Here, little talking is given about the quiz, and they are talking about the quiz. Mr. Parmar, right, you have got a chance. Okay, now let's have the rules. I will ask you 6 questions. Each correct answer will bring you a gift, and the 6th correct answer will get you a scholarship. You will get rupees 200 every month. Here is Miss Tick Tick. I will give you only 1 minute for the first 3 questions. There are 3 helplines. You can use any 2 of them. Ready? Now I explain this paragraph, so give attention. Mr. Parmar explained the rules of the quiz competitions to Nandita. He told that I will ask the questions and you have to give the correct answer of each. If you will give each correct answer, Nandita will get a gift and a scholarship. She will get rupees 200 every month. There are 3 helplines. They are Hello Help, Expert Advice and Student Support. Nandita said, yes sir. Mr. Parmar said, the first questions on your screen is, who wrote the poem Gram Mata? Here are the options. A. Karsandas Manek, B. Kalapi, C. Uma Shankar Joshi, D. Premanand. Nandita gave the right answer, B. Kalapi. Mr. Parmar asked, are you sure? Nandita said, yes sir. Mr. Parmar, is it your final fix? Final fix means answer, final answer. Nandita, yes sir. Mr. Parmar, so let's see. Mr. Bright, please show the right answer. Computer shows the answer. And yes, you are right. It is B. You win the first gift. Kalapi wrote this Gujarati poem, Gram Mata. And Mr. Parmar said, now I ask the questions. Second, Which sea touches Gujarat? Option A, the Arabian Sea, B, the Aral Sea, the C is the Red Sea, and D, the Yellow Sea. The right answer is A, the Arabian Sea. Now we stop here. Our small part is over here, and the remaining part I will explain in the second session. And I have written the questions answer of this part. You write down these question answer and you write down this question answer and worksheet. You write down these questions answers in your text note, and you keep two parts of classwork and homework in a single note, and you make separate note of worksheet. And this worksheet is 20 marks. This worksheet is 20 marks. So you write down these all in your classwork notebook and worksheet notebook. Okay? And you have to make the separate note of text, and you make the two parts in a single note of text. Front part is classwork and back part of homework. And you make the grammar separate note and classwork and homework of two parts in single note, and worksheet for other note. Okay? Bye beta.